jumping. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Reel, 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 reel. 2 bluefish. Good job. Shark master, huh? I was wondering why he wasn't turning the reel. What do we got? A shark!
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going out with Chubby Mullet Fishing, Captain Colt Brown out of the Ponce Inlet in Florida. And today was all about going out, having some fun, catching some fish, getting Flynn on some fish, getting Greg on some fish, and just having a good time. So Captain Colt recognized immediately, right as we left the marina, that there were some bluefish out here schooling. We wanted to get Flynn warmed up, catch him some fish. So here we go. Less than 3 minutes into our trip, we're hooked up already.
Fighting. There you go. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Reel, reel, reel. Oh, what do we got? Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Got a bluefish.
All right.
Good job, Flynn. You caught one.
My favorite.
Your favorite color. He's pretty cool.
Take you long, did it?
Did not. Good job.
You got some mean teeth on them.
They do.
See their teeth?
Here, Flynn. Reel, reel, reel. Reel, reel, reel. Oh yeah, it's fighting good. Reel, reel as fast as you can. Keep reeling. Oh, it's jumping. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Reel, 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 reel. Reel, reel, reel. Yeah, keep reeling. He's coming. Keep reeling. There he is. A bluefish again. Look at that. Give a thumbs up. Yeah. What'd you catch?
Two bluefish.
2 bluefish. Good job.
So the cool thing here is Captain Colt got Flynn on some fish, get his confidence up. It's really awesome when a fishing guide takes their time to not catch meaningful fish for them, but meaningful fish for their customers. Colt did an awesome job of that all day. So after we got Flynn warmed up on those bluefish, we made a move to try to catch some bigger, better fish.
Reel. Reel. Reel.
Oh,
Making you work for it.
Doing good. Put up.
Reel. Keep reeling. Ooh, a turn. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a fish.
There we go. Whatever it is, it's a nice one. Here.
Pull it up, Flynn.
Oh, shark.
Flynn. Shark.
Shark.
Here, what's that, man?
Yeah, go back that way.
I told ya.
Shark master, huh? Looks like a little scallop. I was wondering why he wasn't turning the reel. What do we got? A shark. Yeah. All right, there we go. A shark.
You got a shark. Okay. Let's just hope he don't bite me.
Yeah, let's avoid that.
Look at those.
Look
teeth.
at those teeth.
Look at these. Look at those. Those are cool, huh? You want to hold
Yep, you got to get up there and get a picture by him.
You want to touch his teeth?
Shark
Feel
teeth.
Feel
Yeah.
skin.
Feel him right
how fine
there.
he is.
Feels like sandpaper.
Sandpaper.
See you
right.
later. Good job, man. A shark. What is doing that over there?
Want this one, Flynn?
Baba's got one. Let Baba get it. I'm hooked up too. What do we got?
Not real big. See it yet. Oh.
Is that a shark? It's another shark. Yeah, yeah it is. We're on them sharks. You know what? They're lots of fun.
I'll take it.
Looks like the same shark.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah,
Reel, reel, reel.
that looks like maybe that's a sea trout.
Yeah, this is probably a trout. Hold the rod that way. So he goes out. There you go. Whoa, ladyfish.
Oh, buddy.
Hey, you got him here. Good job. That was fun, wasn't it?
6. Shark again.
You think
Don't say that. Don't say that. Oh, he doesn't want to come up.
This is a better fish, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Got it halfway down.
It's another shark.
I'm honestly in shock right now.
That's a bigger one.
Shark.
Oh, now this is a different size.
Shark.
Break out.
Yep, break it. Come on.
Nope. There he goes.
3 sharks.
3.
Sharks come from.
I'm like,
3 sharks.
So guys, I'm not kidding. For the next 2 hours, it was one after
Hold
another.
on to him.
Sharks,
Yeah.
ladyfish, trout, all kinds of stuff.
They come
Awesome
from-
experience.
No, he's there.
Really
He's there.
recommend.
What do we
getting your
got
kids out there,
here?
getting your
Look at
family out
that.
there,
Little
have them
trout.
love fishing.
Sea trout.
Sea trout.
Buddy, you're just hitting them all today.
nice.
See, look at their teeth.
He's
They
got a
got
teeth.
like 2 weird teeth.
Look at
Weird, huh?
that.
All of a sudden, they're on that side of the boat.
And then they're, you
yard,
see
and
them,
then
sometimes you get them and they're jumping right across the boat. And you're like,
I don't know if this is a fish or... yeah, it's a fish.
looks like a shark.
It didn't feel like a bite.
that's a,
Get out of the engine.
that's got to make it a little better fish.
Look at that.
Oh my God, you caught a
Another
shark.
shark.
Oh my. Where did these things come from?
You know what? We never catch sharks at home, so this is a fun time.
You want me to put them on the boat again? Or
Get a
no?
picture with him? Yeah, get a picture with Dad and
That's a little better.
all of us because we're catching them all. He's a mad shark. Got him. I open the bail. No, Baba's hooked up. What's it gonna be?
They're whiting.
Whiting. Reel.
Keep it right up. Keep the rod tip up.
Look at that.
Outside.
Perfect.
Look at that.
What'd you get?
Bluefish.
Another blue. Holy.
What's it gonna be?
Gotta fish out the other side of the boat for a while, huh? Doing good.
Oh, stick and fish.
Oh, look at that.
Stick and a fish.
Whoa.
Here we go. Here you go, Flynn.
Yeah.
Here's one. This one's definitely hooked up. Here. Reel. Tuck it in. Reel.
Go get him, buddy.
Keep reeling.
Oh, he's coming. You're going, here it comes.
What's it gonna be?
Whoa.
Whoa, we got us. Mangrove. Whoa. Didn't even notice.
No, it just felt like a normal little bite.
There we go.
Got him. Ooh,
Yeah.
that looks good.
Whatever it is, it's freaking out. More head shakes. Ladyfish.
Okay.
Shark bait. Woo! Ladyfish! Look at that.
The other mouths, they have no teeth. It's like sandpaper.
What's it gonna be? Whoa, there was something. There was a shark chasing it.
Shark chasing it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Flashes that came.
It came right up under the boat like
I
that.
would have seen that just a second.
Flynn, hold that
earlier. I
rod.
would've- Oh,
Okay.
nice,
That's
nice.
That might be a bug.
I don't know if this is a shark. Please don't be a shark.
I don't think so. It's not giving head shakes.
He came after that. Pretty good. Not huge, but.
I guess that was We're on them. Look, Flynn. A shark.
Alright.
Here, Flynn. Come see him.
Like a gator, you gotta do it fast.
We don't catch sharks very much. Ever. On shrimp too. Like I could see if it was cut bait or something. Shrimp. Shrimp. There we go.
Shark?
I think it's a ladyfish. No. Trout.
Trout! Oh my god, will they show up? Like, oh my. Oh, wow.
Whew, we're gonna have. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Got it.
Hooked up over there too. What's it gonna be?
All right. What do we got here?
Whiting.
Oh,
Oh,
Whoa!
that sounds better.
Keep reeling. You want me? Here, come step down. Step down off that. Here.
When you hear that going off, you
I
know-
think I know what that. Don't tell me it's a shark. It's a shark.
You never freak out.
Whoa, what do we got here?
You want a picture of that one?
Oh,
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a better shark.
Get out there.
Get the net.
Well, buddy, what do you think? You're getting kind of lackadaisical about catching shark, aren't you?
Right there on 30. Feel like you're on there?
Yeah, he's on there. A shark.
Right.
Yeah, it feels like a dinner plate. Or a log, more like it. Don't run towards that crab pot though. He's just swimming. Not much I can do about it. This is bigger than a net,
Yeah,
Slick.
I don't think it's netted. It will.
Oh!
Let's put some big fish in it.
I'm coming that way. Folks at home, we're hooked up to a shark here. That's leader.
I don't know what the.
There he is.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
He ain't that big.
He ain't that big.
It's a puppy.
Oh.
The puppy shark that ain't that big of a bait.
He still got the bait.
It's still a shark. Oh. And it's not it.
Okay.
Still got the bait. All good.
Okay.
We got a shark. Ah, he's thicker. He might be. Freak out.
Oh, don't do it. Don't bleed all over the boat.
Well, guys, after we caught all those sharks, had a ton of fun, got Flynn on a ton of fish, got Greg on a ton of fish. We went out, finished at the Ponce Inlet here on the rocks. Unfortunately, we didn't hook any big ones out here, but it was a great day. Honestly, it was one of the best days of fishing I've had in Florida. Today was a day I simply wanted to catch a lot of fish with Flynn and Greg and just have a good time, not try to go after any big ones or anything. Captain Colt was awesome. We really can't stress enough how much we recommend Chubby Mullet charters out of the Ponce Inlet, guys. It was awesome. Let us know in the comment section what video you want us to do next. We'll see you out there, guys.